Hey guys, today's gonna be a weird day. Liam and I just started our day actually, and we are clearing out the whole living room, cleaning it top to bottom. That was our mission for the day. But right now he's gonna be vacuuming the couch and I'm gonna make us some breakfast. You want bacon and sausage?
Yeah.
Oh god, I am being so clumsy this morning. We're gonna make bacon, eggs, toast, sausage. I think that might be all we have for breakfast. I would love some avocado, but they're not ripe right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get breakfast started so we can eat because I'm pretty hungry. And he's vacuuming the couch. Alright guys, there's a few things I need to get done today. Derek's friend, or DJ's friend, is in town, I guess you could say. And they're going to be coming by later so that we can play badminton because, as you guys know, we're obsessed with badminton. And so I want to make a good impression, as would anyone that is having someone new come over their house. So I need to spruce it up a bit in here. Like I said earlier, Liam cleaned the living room pretty good. There's just a few pieces of furniture that needs to get put back in place. Right now I'm gonna wash the dishes and clean the stove because the stove looks horrendous, and Savannah gave me these gas burner liners. And they just sit, ooh, they're really sharp. They just sit right on top of the stove, which I'm hoping will help because, as you guys know, I'm sure you've seen plenty of my vlogs, my stove is disgusting. So I'm gonna put these on there. Hopefully that preserves it a little bit longer than it lasts, because usually it literally gets dirty in a day. Once again, did the dishes, but they're not all done. But the stove looks amazing. These little liners, they're gonna save my life. They fit perfectly. So I just clean all of this over here, nice and neat. And now I'm about to go to ShopRite so we can get some ingredients so we can make shish kebabs. Look how magical it looks out here, guys. These are solar lights that I got from Amazon, but they're on right now. I feel like even though they're solar powered and automatic, they kind of just do whatever they want. But it looks so pretty because it's reflecting off the window. I cleaned it up out here a little bit today. Well, clearly not that well, but here is I with my crop top. We were just outside, we barbecued, made some shish kebabs and some sausages. They were really good. I didn't vlog because DJ's friend is here and I don't want to have to explain to him why I'm talking to myself. So
This is so sweet.
so sweet.
I love
Can you
that
hold
it
this?
actually droops in each corner so it looks consistent. I know that's stupid, but
It's not supposed to be like that, but whatever. Savannah stayed back at the house with me so we could take my 29-week photo, which is crazy. I'm gonna be 30 weeks tomorrow. Guys went to the playground to play badminton and we're about to meet them. I don't really know if I want to play, honestly. You don't? So we're about to go over there, meet with them. I just have on a little bit of mascara and I kind of brushed my eyebrows up. But guys, my eyebrows, oh my god, like I need help, but who's gonna help me? Maybe I'll bring my camera. Look how long my hair is, guys. Can you see? Can you see? Damn, that's a lot of hair. So guys, it has come to the time of the day where I end the vlog. I am horrible. I just feel like I've been really slacking because I've been having company and actually doing things, and I get so distracted, which is the point of vlogging, is to not get distracted and to create memories or to document memories. Anyway, it's been a long time since I picked up the camera today. We had company over, we made food on the grill, it was really good. I made my baby shower invitations. I can show you them just really quick. I just made some on my cell phone. I don't really want you guys to read it yet, but a little invitation, a little disclaimer. I'm gonna send them out soon because I'm gonna be 30 weeks tomorrow, which is crazy. But I'm going berry picking tomorrow, which would be really exciting. We're gonna pick blueberries with Rose, the kids, Savannah, Hassan, DJ, and DJ's friend Kevin, which I met today. Hopefully I don't get too embarrassed to vlog around him because it's just kind of annoying to explain sometimes what you're doing, but whatever. You just have to do. Anyways, I am going to shower now because we were running around playing badminton. I did like 20 laps around back and forth on the tennis field, just jogging, not running or anything, but that made me sweaty. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to end the vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good night.